Hello, our GCSE question for today is simplify the following, and this is going to go for 2 marks. This is going to go for 2 marks, a total of 4 marks. Hi, I'm Andy and this is New Track Mathematics videos. Now let's get straight into this. The first question, you are given this to be equal to what? 9t raised to power 4 into bracket 2, and you are asked to do what? To simplify. Now remember, this is a bracket and this square, this power is for the 2 number and the what and the later, which is raised to power what? 4, and that will give us what? 9 square multiplied by what? t4, which is what? Raised to power 2. So this will give us, our 9 square will give us 81 times what? T raised to power what? 4 times 2, and that will give you equal to 81 t raised to power what? Raised to power 8. So this solution will be equal to what? 81t raised to power what? 8. Very good. Now let's look at the next question. The next question, you are asked to what? You are asked to simplify 24 x raised to power 4 y raised to power 10 over what? 6x squared y raised to power what? 7. Now when giving questions like this question has to do with simplifying numbers alongside with what? With letters. All you need to do is to separate the numbers from the letters. This will give us what? This will give us 24 divided by 6 times what? X raised to power 4 divided by x squared times what? Y raised to power 10 divided by what? Y raised to power what? 7. Now recall, in indices, if we have x raised to power a divided by what? X raised to power b, because we have a common base and the powers are different, we'll have a common base and the power will be a subtracted by the second power, which is a minus b. Now we are going to apply this logic in indices into solving this. So 24 divided by 6, 2 will give us, and 2 here will give us 1 and what? 2. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. 3 divided by 12 divided by 3 will give us what? 4. So that will give us what? 4 times this divided by this, x raised to power what? 4 minus 2 times what? Times y 10 minus what? 7. So this will be equal to what? 4 times what? X raised to power 2 times what? Y raised to power what? 3, and that will give us 4x squared y what? Y 3. You see, it's very easy. Questions like this can be very easy if you take your time to go through the solution. Catch up with us next time as we'll be taking more video on GCSE Mathematics. See you in our next videos.